Here are common phobias and simple home remedies. 1. Fear of spiders or arachnophobia. Gradual exposure to spiders, relaxation techniques, and using peppermint oil as a natural spider repellent. 2. Fear of enclosed spaces or claustrophobia. Challenge negative thoughts, practice muscle relaxation, and visualize open spaces to reduce anxiety. 3. Fear of heights or acrophobia. Gradually expose yourself to heights, use deep breathing, and focus on stability like holding railings. 4. Fear of crowded spaces or agoraphobia. Slowly increase exposure to public spaces, practice mindfulness, and seek support from loved ones. 5. Social phobia or social anxiety. Practice social interactions, drink calming herbal teas, and visualize success in social situations. 6. Fear of needles or trypanophobia. Gradually desensitize to needles, use distraction techniques, and practice muscle relaxation during procedures. 7. Fear of the dark or nyctophobia. Use night lights, listen to calming sounds, and slowly reduce light exposure to build tolerance for darkness. 8. Fear of snakes or ophidiophobia. Learn about snakes to reduce irrational fears, practice controlled breathing, and use gradual exposure methods. 9. Fear of germs or mesophobia. Practice balanced hygiene routines, use cognitive behavioral therapy to challenge obsessive cleaning habits, and gradually expose yourself to common surfaces. 10. Fear of death or thanatophobia. Engage in mindfulness, explore spiritual or philosophical perspectives, and discuss fears openly with a trusted person. 11. Fear of dogs or cynophobia. Gradually approach calm, trained dogs, learn about dog behavior, and practice deep breathing to ease anxiety. 12. Fear of flying or aviophobia. Practice visualization of smooth flights, deep breathing exercises, and desensitization through virtual reality or short flights. 13. Fear of vomiting or emetophobia. Gradual exposure to situations that may trigger nausea, cognitive behavioral therapy, and use of relaxation techniques. 14. Fear of public speaking or glossophobia. Practice speaking in front of small groups, use breathing techniques, and visualize successful presentations. 15. Fear of dentists or dentophobia. Gradually visit the dentist's office to build comfort, use calming techniques like music or deep breathing, and talk to the dentist about your fear. 16. Fear of clowns or coulrophobia. Gradual exposure to images of clowns, cognitive behavioral therapy, and desensitization through safe encounters. 17. Fear of sharp objects or acmophobia. Gradual exposure to harmless sharp objects, use mindfulness to stay calm, and practice controlled breathing. 18. Fear of ugliness or cacophobia. Practice cognitive restructuring, challenge negative self-perceptions, and use mindfulness techniques to reduce anxiety. 19. Fear of water or hydrophobia. Start with gradual exposure to shallow water, practice breathing techniques, and engage in relaxation exercises. 20. Fear of getting sick or nosophobia. Educate yourself about diseases to challenge irrational fears, practice balanced hygiene, and use cognitive therapy for reassurance. 21. Fear of cats or allurophobia. Gradually interact with calm, friendly cats, learn about cat behavior to reduce irrational fears, and use relaxation techniques like deep breathing. 22. Fear of cockroaches or katsaridaphobia. Learn about cockroach behavior to reduce irrational fears, practice gradual exposure through images, and use relaxation techniques to manage anxiety. 23. Fear of lizards or herpetophobia. Educate yourself on lizards to reduce fear, use gradual exposure starting with images, and practice breathing exercises to manage anxiety. 24. Fear of house geckos or scoliophobia. Gradual exposure, learn about geckos and mindfulness techniques. 25. Fear of caterpillars or lygophobia. Gradually expose yourself to images of caterpillars or larvae, learn about their role in nature, and practice deep breathing to manage anxiety. 26. Fear of insects or entomophobia. Educate yourself about various insects, use gradual exposure methods, and practice relaxation techniques to reduce fear and anxiety. Professional therapy or treatment is often recommended for managing phobias. And just comment us which phobia you have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.